Before you plan your next trip, you need to hear this. Venezuela is one of the most dangerous destinations in the world right now. High crime, kidnapping risks, political instability, an ongoing economic crisis with limited medical care and unreliable infrastructure. Travel advisories are active, and emergency help can be hard to reach when it matters most. In this episode, we expose the real dangers of traveling to Venezuela, what travelers aren't told, what can go wrong, and why this is a trip you should seriously avoid. This is Hack Trip Easy. Stay tuned, your safety depends on it. Venezuela is classified as a level 4 do not travel destination by many governments. This classification is due to significant dangers present in the country. Violent crimes, including armed robbery, kidnapping, and murder, are common. Tourists are often targeted, increasing the risk for travelers. Political instability introduces significant risks for foreign nationals. One major risk is the potential for illegal detention due to the political climate. Civil unrest and protests are common manifestations of political instability. These events can escalate rapidly, creating dangerous situations. Individuals in proximity to unrest face increased risks. Vigilance and awareness are crucial for mitigating these risks. Prior to traveling, it is crucial to review travel advisories issued by your country's government. Staying informed about local news is essential for updates on political tensions and potential safety risks. Travelers should proactively confirm the availability of their flights. Many airlines have suspended routes due to ongoing safety concerns, necessitating verification. When travel is unavoidable, prioritize safety by avoiding solo journeys. Establish connections with reliable local contacts or guides for support and information. Share detailed travel itineraries with trusted individuals to maintain accountability. Register travel plans with the embassy, when possible, to ensure awareness of your location and needs. To ensure personal safety, avoid using unofficial taxi services. It is advisable to stay away from border regions near Colombia, Brazil, and Guyana. These areas are known for higher levels of organized crime. Political demonstrations should be avoided due to the potential for unrest. Such gatherings can quickly escalate into chaotic situations. Travelers should prepare for potential document loss or theft by carrying copies of important documents. Contact information for legal assistance should be readily accessible during travel. Establish a consistent communication plan with someone at home for ongoing contact and support. This plan ensures regular check-ins and a support system in case of emergencies. Venezuela isn't just challenging, it's dangerous. High crime, ongoing instability, and a collapsing economy create risks most travelers are not prepared for. Medical help is limited. Infrastructure is unreliable. And when emergencies happen, help may not arrive in time. This isn't about fear, it's about reality. Right now, traveling to Venezuela puts your safety at serious risk. Our final travel hack is simple. No destination is worth your life. Stay informed, stay cautious. Subscribe to Hack Trip Easy for honest travel warnings and real-world advice so your next trip doesn't become your last.